We're expecting a warm Thursday over the far northeastern part of South Africa, but with the cold front cooling things off and bringing in the chance of rainfall over the southern part of the country, with that front then spreading that cooler and wet weather up the east coast in the second part of the day. The cold front also leaves behind cold conditions, particularly over the Eastern Cape, but you'll see how things start to clear out quite quickly behind that front from the west. Here's our rainfall probability map with up to a 60% chance of rainfall along the coast from the south coast through to KwaZulu-Natal, with up to a 40% chance of rain as we head inland, and most of that rainfall in the Western Cape occurring on Thursday morning. On our maximum temperature map, you'll also see the effect of the cold front with a bitterly cold 11 degrees for Sutherland and Graaff-Reinet, Beshrew 12-17 degrees for East London, and maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-teens for George and Port Elizabeth. 18 degrees for Cape Town, 23 for Uppington and Kimberley, 22 for Johannesburg, with daytime highs peaking in the mid-20s for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Polokwane, and a warm day for Bombela with a high of 27 degrees. As we head out to the coast, you'll see a moderate southeasterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Alexander Bay. Quite a bit of cloud still for Longabon with the possibility of morning light rainfall. But along the west coast, we're expecting a 3.5 metres southerly to southwesterly swell at 12 seconds and wave heights breaking between 5 and 6 feet. We're expecting quite a large swell along the southwest coast, and that's of 4 metres with wave heights between 5 and 7 feet, with a 35 km/h southeaster for False Bay and a 25 km/h southeasterly wind for Table Bay. Mostly cloudy and most of that rainfall still lingering in Cape Agulhas for the day, with a strong southeasterly wind in the forecast, so poor beach conditions there. Quite a bit of cloud along the south coast, most of that rainfall occurring along the eastern Cape coast though, with a strong southwesterly wind for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, and you'll see that swell height also picking up in the afternoon, but we're expecting an average swell height of 3.5 metres with a wave period of 7 seconds. Along the east coast, we can also expect a mostly cloudy day with a possibility of rainfall and wind speeds and swell heights picking up in the afternoon. A strong southwesterly wind for East London and the Wild Coast, with a fresh southwesterly wind for Durban. And along the east coast, we have an average swell height of 3 metres with a wave period of 7 seconds and wave height.
News that moves. eNCA.com.